Good morning, guys. You guys see it's a gloomy, rainy kind of day today in the Pacific Northwest, or should I say Oregon. We are going to Costco to grocery shop today. My honey doesn't feel well, so he decided to stay home today instead of go to work and get people sick. And so I'm making him run errands with me because I want to go get some grocery. Today was the plan to go grocery shopping, just me and Lauren, but since he's homesick today, I'm gonna make him go. And then according to this little one, she thinks we're going to the park because we said that yesterday. Isn't she so cute? Hi, baby. What are you eating today?
Papa.
Noodles. This is Lauren ate noodle soup with wonton. Hi, baby. You guys, is this crazy or what? We are just, oh shit. Oh, we are just driving through water. We are at Costco. Hi, Lauren. Lauren.
Thank you, buddy.
Over here, nice cocoa mix.
Very warm, very hot. Be careful.
Okay, that has to blow, okay? It's hot cocoa.
We are finally back home. We came home and guess what we did, guys? Well, besides cutting Lauren her snack because she's eating apples, we got back into our pajamas because there's just nothing that we plan on doing today but stay home. So we got back into our pajamas, and then later on when I work out, I'm probably going to switch out to my workout clothes. But right now, we're just going to put grocery away. What are you eating, baby? Apple. Here's a grocery haul. Me and Dennis, whenever we go shopping for grocery, we always buy healthy things. And then it's the unhealthy things that we eat when we go out to eat because we hardly eat at home. But we're going to try extra hard this time to eat at home. We have a box of orange from Costco, King's River. Our romaine lettuce that we always get to make our own salad. Tomato, cherry tomatoes. A pack of lemon, just so I could start drinking water with lemon and putting in my salads. And then some grilled chicken strips for the salad. Chicken tenderloin. Organic bananas. Tilapia loins. These Fuji apples, they're so good and sweet. And then our 5 dozen of eggs that we like to eat. And then our spinach and Yoshidas. Dennis bought some Yoshidas, probably for the chicken breasts. And then Go-Gurt for Lauren. You wake up. Look who's up from her nap, guys. This is beauty. I was in the middle of vlogging and then my sister called me. But anyways, this beautiful girl is up from her nap. Say hi, guys. Say hi, Ma. Say hi, guys. I'm Lauren. Kiss.
This is so cute, guys.
What are you watching?
Apple baby.
Are you watching, baby? Just had a super good workout. I worked out for about an hour and like 10 minutes. Let me show you guys how much calories I burned and the distance. So I went 4 miles, 75 minutes, and 868 calories burned. I am just barely getting back into this working out routine, so I'm definitely not back to where I used to be, where I was burning like 1,000 to like 1,300 calories each workout, so I gotta get my body used to it. There you guys go. Workout summary on my Nordic track that I love. Just got done taking a shower. I'm about to make myself a very, very yummy, hearty salad. Okay, not really hearty, but I like my typical just romaine lettuce, baby spinach, and tomato, and just like a drizzle of whatever salad we like. We have a salad dressing that we like, and then yeah, I feel so good. Lauren loves our neighbor's Christmas decoration. It plays music. Mình ăn hỏi giá chi nữa? Tomato lá. This is how Daddy did Lauren's hair today. Koniki? Koniki?
In the morning, Daddy. In the morning.
You guys, look how amazing this house is in the Christmas
Now you
spirit.
see it?
Isn't it cute?
Now you see Christmas light?
Open her window.
Now look.
The cute little house with all the Christmas light. Lauren, do you like the house? Yeah, it's pretty, huh?
Do you like it? Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah. Go.
Merry Christmas walk out.
Isn't this cute? They let you guys drive into their house. Sorry, you guys, my car is kind of loud.
Look, nice.
What a nice house. Like, they let you drive into their driveway and everything. And this all for free. You don't have
Please
to
stop,
pay
I can
them.
explain. Aw, Santa, please stop, I can explain. This is so cool. Now you see Santa? Now you see Santa Claus? It's like Daddy's.
Christmas tree in Fairview.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't this cool, you guys?
What is her?
Whoa, nice.
House. House.
Whoa.
Christmas tree.
Now you see Christmas.
Look what I got this little biggie man. I got him a George Foreman grill, and he's grilling up some burnt ass fish right now.
It's not burnt.
I'm just kidding. Okay, and then he's cooking up some yummy chicken breast with some Mrs. Dash seasoning. Okay guys, so this sums up our night or our day, you know, our Monday. Happy Monday. We're not going to bed, but we're just gonna end the vlog because we're just watching TV and those two are just over there. That's how we spend family time. and me over here watching my reality TV shows. So good night and bye.